New lawyer ne say enko ne omo ni case bi anti enko ne omo anko ombe settle asem ne ofie. Which one do you want?
I want both.
Oliver Trace play new lawyer no. E de na wo say enko no ne maame Akosua Serwaa ne Akosua Brempoma. Enko obeyi asem no free court. No ma beka ofie because they don't have a case. Mpacho me play no.
Me patri.
Ye nua say maame Brempoma na ka kire ne say lawyer bribu ahen ada no. Lawyer ahoma no so me adwuma ye yere adanse any evidence ye adwuma. Lawyer na ho te say. Right. Eja me you do the reason show e you know wa.
Okay, that's online TV station at Ghana no ane Ghana Info TV say you know abin na ye tu ehun say the sempa esem de esema no premo no bim ene de ba bedan adofo ene ahwefo nyina sanse muni ho a yeso ye ni ho enu ntini e bebo ye homode say ye de ensema no kuro nko abi ene de baba bedan mo na ene video bi pa e trade e social media no so e ya be for time no so Ghana Info akwafa ye de bi e baba bedan adofo eti kame home ne ho ho video bi e famra ne ba ye de adwen trade to comment section and remember my Ghana for ya can eya no edam fefefa ye go shebimba
say your friends and a CPP and a PNC free more P me boy and party to celebrate but there's a breakaway party
but the map say some more team legal wives and more original team legal wives. Or terms no, we shall know cause your hey.
It's marvelous. It's strange. It's strange. In all this, no. The person I pity, the anasem ye be ya. That emotional mame. Yeah, ye didn't no crabby, ye didn't throw be ashishin in dream. Eddie nyano, amene treat yesika. Emande ne rare akwa shim. Ya kache ni say obi mia obi kunu ekon ne kun no. Emana kudi echiri. Ya kache ni say na obi tina ware ho. Ena obi free baby aba snatch. Ama ono no ebi ato ni painti. Anase de oti hu no wosuro say obi betetare hu ni nti no. Wode no ho akobo say kuyo yi na wo tu yesika. What you mean to tin who flew or man a quine man in be na dream encotie the other side who say and no crescent no beating a warrior home and no be about better one babaje. What did they mention? I say, oh no, Sama Mino and an asemia miao. Sama Mino, because the way I say, are blinding no into why to say NPP ni. On concord, you could tread the NDC for ye be a baby papa be or that there be. Why say NDC ni onko hwe bibi ti say NPP ni ya de papa da once I see ni kriti say ahada me gina no e wa na ogina won pe no kura bia tie eno na sem na ye me ya o ni ye gini sika ni ye dada no because nkrofo ya you see it's about credibility. It is about credibility. Obia otimi so camera e di ma enyema ebe chire yeah, or no, or the way and say, or the ma man, I'm sorry, I'm unable to say things like what did they mention? I say, yeah, or no, ne content, and I say, near ma, no, or yeah, they say, or the ma deja, and the ma, yeah, what you say. Said the pan is say, well, no, what sorry, Gina, can't say more. Shene, nabra boy, yeah, or up, no so. Na fa be compare say ni nsema o kan no e wo say wutie no ana it is about credibility. It is about credibility. So what the mention I say enti ye me ya masa ma me no ya e bia bibi say ato ne pen ono de na what na ware ase e na ne kunu no adi ne bone e no wa fa ne say ne de na te say we e no de no akobo we no otua sika because e bibi adi ne da. But asem no enye no kre when you different yeah say no kre no omo akasa expose you omo akasa obi anka omo na etu omo no mutuo and now discuss something na we ye o charge ye ukoji we sika Echina mebo udua, ade echi a mesu mebo udua, ade echi a maame no krampo no na adwene heda nya adwuma saa, ye ne ade yekeka bi ma no. And now say that I mean
It's
anyway,
sad, Brother
Alex
Marcus.
akwaba.
Sister Rahel.
Brother Marcus Mitchell, so Boko there.
Nyame adom.
Fire. Mom say fire. Pastor, my brother Marcus on fire. You and catch a pa.
All right. Brother Marcus, I laugh out loud to us. Now, Brother Marcus did.
Sister Rahel, open
Yes,
your
darling.
bati wa say obi ka kire ne say Mami Akosua Serwaa bodam na open ya.
All right. Oh, the bonnet meeting.
New lawyer ne say enko ne omo ni case bi anti enko ne omo anko ombe settle asem ne ofie. Which one do you want?
I want both. Oliver Trace
play new lawyer no. Ede na wo say enko no ne Mami Akosua Serwaa ne Akosua Brempoma. Enko be yi asem no every court. No ma be kan ofie because they don't have a case. Mpacho me play no.
Me patri.
Ye nuane say maame prempoma na ka kire ne say lawyer bribu ahen ada no lawyer ahoma no so me adwuma ye yare adanse ene evidence ye adwuma lawyer na ho te say right eja meji ye adwuma the reason show eya no wa bibia wa na ka kire me to ho asem a ense say me di sie na me kokan wa say me frɛ na me tie say de tie to ko TikTok a wo trend pa ne nyina ne say eye maame Akosua Serwaa ye dade no ba yire ne letter of administration ho nsɛm ena TikTok for ne say o mate say wo frɛ maame prempoma maame Akosua Brempoma say onko yi ni di maame Akosua Serwaa na fe ekoye ni case ma no lawyer asam no say ne sitie sa na wo ye say ka wo dada maame no
client the case about me ho me ye case client no utiasie ama mejeya Brempoma na menye na tene ho ena na me case bi ama no na ono a so lawyer kaso so gentleman elta be doctor afidie so kasa no yeda yanya no sa lawyer
say maame Brempoma na ho oba ho
brother so ba me o me na me try to call me oh yeah we met as lawyer and client it's a material
exactly extra because we are adwuma as a professional
Then Oprah, you met me a can say. You shall crack out in near me, and I still stand by that. So, where your mother can a transfer, you that can fear that yes in fear. A year better year. As for that one,
okay.
As for that one, my Canada beer, Major Canada beer. Said me a big shot when the coronation crack. And the sunny and Yamasian. So I was a mini hotra. That is the only thing I will say. Apart from that, I can be a view. So,
Amuntio.
Men can be a year. Can we dear? Then, my lord, George.
Oh, na sa otu omu so omu kan wasem no nko kebe ya nko kan ofie eye de letters of administration and eye someone na say
never mind me go into details
so on say me na mo fa no mo ya allegation to tell person on
oh okay too much o sin sem ni na wanti
check case case iti omo sadia odi no be frame no mo ntia se say eye de na case ni turning from obi defamation case eba letters of administration enti na person me nya na clear no on lawyer
I won't go.
Sister Rahel, or sinka only omwa. Nka o share documents no. O hu say nkofo ni case. Enti nka mom ko ne omwa. Ko obeyi obemu yi case na befie. We ye genuine advice or dey maame
ne. Amuntie da.
Because Rahel, they are going to lose big time. Me say asem way na ebeju saso eningwasia pede maami we befemu no Rahel me last just ne say obati wa be e dia bebo so say Akosua Serwaa bodam me pacho me enya me na me kan o
and right, yeah, so the Ben will be the same thing.
And no, yeah, on some of the charges nearby, and no, yeah, a his royal, and no say, ye say, Adamu say, Mamma na bodam, and then, or Bati was should the abba, some mamma now dream you go. And to me, some if he did so, send me some brother Alex, brother Alex. And Tina Asemi and Kofoki Kasama me abodam, yen to me from Kokotana.
Board you, what? Loud. What do we call a quarter where they see some community brief you what? Laugh out loud, Bomido.
Farah Martini on Nana Williams now.
Yeah, if I quit, or someone, if I quit, start, or someone.
They are working for a town.
Oh, start the audio, someone. And our father
oh yeah, one of the team legal wise. Almost no any panu will do bruni no movie called team legal because of ska. And I don't know that person. Son walker.
Twas way.
Nana Williams now. Wama shama my kid or Mujimino. They are working for a penny. Because Farah Martin didn't yet Nana Williams. Almost cast a papa for Akosua Serwaa won't that. Wouldn't answer a minimum ever more. Wouldn't answer a minimum.
Yeah, cover.
Woman, name. Meba be cancel.
The other baby.
Nana Williams. I will expose Nana Williams. So when you know baby, I can say Mammy Akosua Serwaa. Sabio et a frache. Sabi Manusi Subina at Manu. So more than that.
Ajay, I said that one. I said baby. I saw baby more right any account. Brother Alex, I said when to me Fanko court, and that's what I want to understand. Because I was seeing to me Fanko court.
What they call is yeah, what they call water query? What they call water query? The last one.
What's the wabodam? Now wabodam any account, and all indications is such a. And on one because my mother has a diempo, yeah, bro, free.
But questionable
character. And I was somewhere, yes, some fanko pia lawyer for the show. Me pacho lawyer for some to me fanko, me the beko, because we don't want casa camp is coming from two different you. And you cannot tell me otherwise. Rahel, what are you saying?
I don't know Muguma mean any masses. Where someone was someone to back up
and these people are being factual. Said somewhere, yeah, they are being factual. Questionable character.
But on the more ultimate back home over Kobe talk on that Uber good and Masia, Mabeki can't say a fan one. It's not nice, that Lumba European people are saying stuff like this about
ex-wife. Who said that the Lumba Kumo?
God saw your European part.
Okay, what do you fancy? But Rahel, on a more serious note, lawyer MPP lawyer Shen Kratano, or Sinqueb or no Dienke Bow or no Honoma, and Quebec wishes so many because they don't have a case. And no lawyers and no one can some bro more court. No more for questionable character and count. No more for bodamon count. No more for in being count. No more some fat at the Mubuti force and count. Rahel, me just no, and your man no piao, Mary me da si bebre, yamin show.
Laugh aloud. What should they were yes, Piana?
Mr. Rahel, Mr. Me person me CRNO. And to me no some me be teacher on. Me be professor, how me have me students.
There be over your teacher there Kolane Human, Kolane Human.
Me professor wa Howard University o. Me se be have students in the kwa. Me say sa case when na me mo ma find it out. E ye be kwa ye mental examination ahwe. Say nipa dream kana Rahel, what ye? Nyame hira ye nyina wate.
Hey, I could have just were here now, and now laugh out loud. Hey, I could have just but what were you laugh out loud? And I mean, Tassie. The man Tony be man now because David Beyonce.
Sarah had room is so or told me
Good evening.
or told me.
Yes,
Oh,
sister,
how be
sister
no be
9
on the
and
crown
3
for
and 4 and 1,000. What the hell made me too? What the hell?
Ah, Pastor Drew me so you but
693 middle.
Sarah
Aqua.
have come to good evening.
Evening, dear, let's say.
Radia do mon patch on sway.
Yes, I do me who you pa.
A laugh of
But the
Radia
mommy.
about what out. Oh, yeah, dear, you.
Laugh out loud when you're dear super. Oh. Hey. Now, 693 then, come. Yeah, my hair was just now, dada.
Hell.
Mm-hmm.
Ai, my dear Bakra that I may say, the dear we pad the mamma say, well, we pad the million and come out, no make cassette a year, one more money in the munta because it's so much mammy any mass for you.
Oh.
And now, Miss Second one, we are did we are going to sweep and to want to me no more that come my. Because Sarah had the other. It's not a cushion for and it's a for a bridge lane to you are not what I'm saying. What of a cushion?
Mm-hmm.
Kada kunsuo ne ka bɔ maku nipa mienu abɔ ma ma ɔmo mmea ɔma no ma obi abɛtwa so because say bi nti ha ɔmo ma paa hwɛ ɔmo ma ɛhwɛ
Yes,
na me
serious.
maame no na ɔba abɛgyina social media fa kosua na wɔde de camera to so sɛ meebɔ dua ayi ah maame kɔ na ebɔ dua na ɔmo ma ɛbɛyɛ de Sarah Hill
Yes,
ɛna
dear.
ɛka ni sɛ ɔba si wa sɛ frempɔma nkurɔfoɔ ba ne fie bɛyɛ adwuma a if essence obi fie nti na ɔde ne ho agye nti ontua ka no ɛna frempɔma I surrender aha nti ɔbɛsi wa sɛ ɔsɛ bi afrɔmba na ɛbɛba ne fie abɛyɛ adwuma a ontua na ɔde ne ho agye na nipa ne kɔ saa na ɔyɛ no wɔ ne fie nti frempɔma nso bɛ responde no na maame panyin bi obi abɛka asɛm ana abɛdifɛnde ho ana woka sɛ no audio no hɔ no wabɔ ɛna ɔbɛsi wa adi abɔ na ɔbɛbɔ ni si wa so ho dayɛ ɔyi wa dɔ ni ɔyi wa dɔ.
Oi, wala doni. Also, was one day.
That was what the council hold out betty wedding no boy no into another like I say I suggested the nurse see who say you know be a person kasa into me the receipt and it will make me about me na yet
Hey.
This man, you first see me. Munga face to face. Aya usia. Kwasia what? Kwasia adu dan. Ya woni obe manatia. Electrician ebe fi odo wo be electrician. Woni wo fi na jale pan. Kwasia ba.
Electrician says electrician. Says hey.
when I can turn to a mom.
Kwasia adu dan. Ya woni obe manatia. Electrician ebe fi odo wo be electrician. Woni wo fi na jale pan. Kwasia ba. Energy plumber for me that fish for the woman if you have a young man who will get a job that man I want to what in any what are they yet I wouldn't be man at all I don't know when you are baby and watch a year of Bama go back Akosua Serwaa o be tabi yon ye ka obi aka oba abonti be guma be ma se ba ka yawa una be ta abonti be ka se sabio eta fracha nam e ma me eto ekoke aboa funu kwasia
Jesus, are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Jesus and kwasia be no one found so e go ma no ha
Ah, there be and go for and then they added your boy no man. I mean, just you. What is wrong with Dennis? Like Dennis, I don't understand.
Menkwana.
693 or just why you receive my bar mount.
Aha, into Prempoma also respond in so come home. Into I
Hey.
will not respond there.
Miss Ankai, Anna
Oh,
Misaka.
and I can't
Ah,
wait.
hey, that's the first one, right?
Aha, into some are bending so dear now, so they can't say about life on the Sebeka.
Where?
Omo Gigi Scabi.
Ah,
Intina
anyone.
me fa number no way.
Debbie, we have no idea.
And yeah, back open number check your this thing. Check your WhatsApp.
Auntie, me mama just na do me so.
Eh, class wa obo.
Where
Eh,
me
me
chi?
too wa. Me too
Debbie sister Pacho beto me, Jaisa.
Eh, and then they overtaking them for. I went so
It is
busy.
la person de shemeni.
Hey.
Sarah, my daddy
692.
has sending in a banana download.
And then check mommy now. Oh, yes, I down there. Oh, dear. If you are
692 drop it. Okay, any royalty you.
oh,
Me
that's
say
it.
it's you. Me could eat you na no pay me sorry me ku adwuma na me say eyi na anti kukuru ba eyi no omuni me pa wo ahwo ba be bu me so to me so ena me ko tie kakra me ko nam se wabodua na wi na fe me tese sister bi ye fe na gudie me ko te ote han o modua no ekrofo 24 ote o modua no ewi ase de ade na utimi di ntro to obi so ena di na me se emu ye nipa bonefo papa mu ye nipa bonefo papa nya me betuatua mu so ban tantan ne ka nyame betuatua mu so ban tantan ne ka de kyerɛ sɛ ɔdɔ broni ne wɔn a moadi ntra to wɔn so wɔn de wɔn nyɛ nipa afei de duru mu so si yɛ sɛ mu akɔ wia sika na akɔ di sika didi amu bebo dua sai yɛ sɛ anti kukuru ba mma nyini wɔn bɛware na sɛ daakye bi wɔn kɔ baabi na wɔn kɔ ware na obi kɔ ka so wɔn maame yɛ korɔmfo ma ware bɛgu nyame bɛtua mo kame na me sɛ nyame bɛtua mo ka nyame bɛtua mo kasa mutumi sɛ ebinom fie sɛ wɔ mu din na moanwene ho sɛ ɛyɛ social media and it goes far and that kyɔn nso ebɛtumi affect ɔmo ma na duru mu so deɛ moakae sɛ mo wɔ ma a wɔn bɛware na wɔn ba mmea nkɔsua me fie sɛ yɛama yɛbɛka sɛ mo maame no mo yɛ akorɔmfo mo maame no mo gu nipa anim ase wɔ social media mo maame no mo ni fɛri mo ni ntete wɔn amfa bi antete mo fa mo nkɔsi asɛm firi yɛ fie na yɛbɛ bi anware mo ɛno deɛ mo ankae na me maame bi a na menim no Facebook ono afi no ena nkrofo keka se nipa bebre na join team legal wife no ensem wo atoto wo mo no ma fa ne personal na kwado fusu bere so ena wo mo be kono ene magye di ma utie mi ameka kiro ma me na wo se wo yesofo ma me na wo ba pa adwuma wa America na omo kopuli ne ma me information no mo se ne ma me edi information ma wow sa na mo tie Ghana fo mo nyina mo nka nokore munyina mo nka nokore metiafa na metie munyina wa me ho se mu pe nokore ka because of what same be esi mmiri binti wo do ho abehya Akosua Serwaa ahwu mu case na nye the same case why ma me ka kire nye the same case it free team legal wife ho no free ho and now what the whole two folk can some say we support this and kwase se mo yakoto and you people know we come far from Facebook say suban we ya nuanom me ya ante kukuru bi ni ade suban o mada na di fiti Facebook be si ne and TikTok abere so mu guso mu pe no kore ye be ka no kora kire mo e kokoto de ne bodwe e duru mu so de mu prevent nyoma de mo de ayo odobroni ni na busua kwadwofo so ni na busua enne wo mu waka no omo de omo mfirifie omo de omo fia nwia mu na baaye enne de wa ma minimu right me wo adwuma mu kenne so am so gu nkrofo so na me bobom me very disgraceful me hwamo from afa mu nka no kore sebe abi before mu bebre Ghana for afa me hu say ye hypocrite edru obi so ne de ende mu defend na edru obi foforo de hwe de am ye nkrofo on social media aden me bobom de am monim aguase mo pa me bom de am mo ni po kasa anope me tietie mu nyina wo ma in particular wo sofo ma me we ho ya me nwa papa so we support this group we wa bra wasam no enye the same thing eno kata so me boa na wo pese obi abeti de esi ye me pa twa wo de na esi e different so you are so wrong for going to support team a legal wife. Wabra would name what is right. Mamu yesa, munyimu feelings no mu fiensa mun ton chain, na munni no kre. Na munni no kre, no do bruni, wo meye obi abone, dia mu claim no, afi de ne anti Akosua say wa wo beto somia. Wo beto somia in Kofi Kinata song, wo beto somia. So won do mo keka fa ho. We sebe wadwini ni ho. Na wo de ye ma excuse se sebe. Adwin mu yare ye me fa ne say ye cancer. Yet is diabetes. It's a sebi why dream kawa yate. Hence why the question in our also so many question into ye diacho because of DL because of women. But munshana munga is nonsense and social media so because you have Ghana for we can do better. We can learn that so much that we can use social media for, but not this drama and disrespect. No, right? Messi abanadri. So let's meet your wife. Monarch me do too, mammy. Why? Me show bibia. My brother, me quarter. Come see for more.
All right. Since that we Misaka.
Okay.
Misaka.
Auntie friend from my dear no, need no be kind.
Okay.
Drama is simple. Me do nyame se nyame akama akoma wo. Se me drum ya kasa me jesere se me di kodra wo. Anhwe no sa ade enche no beti wa cancel ejina ne kwan no. Eti me bompa ye se nyame be mama kokodro nyame be mama botre na ma hye me ho so. Enje se obeti wa. Ena anu ya le de dan ma no. Be 2 months nie. Ye ka se won ko outside. Ya de ne ko outside London. Na ne ba mu ano. Any abayu any nti. Any a share so the man a dime. The man Elia mu ha say. Aba
Elia. Anam se dia asem kra na ye hia ne sar. Elia. Confidence ya omo sa de canon so. Eno na me pese betias. Confidence omo de ka omo brofo no. Elia.
We live every day, oh.
Ne brofo mi nu ato obare no. Me dream me just no so
Monarch me say ne brofo mi amate o masum no ho.
Ne yati bi.
Mo ankrofo mutimi hohoro nipa asum ne na adwi mu mana. In fact, I really need a mind reset too.
Wow, right. I say me we yes, yeah, do you should sponsor now ko Dubai. Kojojo ho because wa bro. Ni ma fa wasum no. Ni ma fa wasum no.
Hey. Hey, serious. So they trust we na.
you any. Anu ya le de dan ma no. Be 2 months nie. Ye ka se won ko outside. Ya de ne ko outside London. Na ne ba mu ano. Any abayu any nti. Any a share so the man a dime. The man Elia mu ha say. Obatiwa, don't push me. Don't push me. Obatiwa. Trust up where uber me the me you be accepted. The me you be accepted.
Monarch. I was a forward benefit safety.
Kind of broth.
What's say word there?
Not those for either safety.
Okay, word there. Safety. And now they win a how.
Monarch.
In fact, Omaka affecting crowd and I de accepting a yode.
Yeah, mu ha say. Obatiwa, don't push me. Don't push me. Obatiwa. Trust up where uber me the me you be accepted. The me you be accepted. Obatiwa, don't.
Accept it.
Eka aba.
Trust up where uber me the me you be accepted. The me you be accepted. Obatiwa, don't push me, Mr. Once you will regret it. When you the back, yes, I would try you can say na
maybe September no can we can short
my I swear my God.
Yes, short time. Oh, yes, short time. Why short time?
Sarah, her reply in the count. What say it?
Ayo, mahu.
Obi kuna wo sɔle a wɔnto ataadeɛ ma wo. Kope obi kunu wo sɔle a woda hɔ na wayɛ breakfast bi abrɛ wo. Kope obi kunu.
Why then? Breakfast.
Na wo bɔ pɛsɛ obi na ka wo na ne tia wo.
Breakfast.
Kuna wo sɔle a wɔnto ataadeɛ ma wo. Kope obi kunu wo sɔle a woda hɔ na wayɛ breakfast bi abrɛ wo. Kope obi kunu. Kope bi wate.
Breakfast na yi.
Na wo bɔ pɛ dan a wei obi kunu na ka wo na ne tia wo. Ka se for etu wo no mu nya dan bi ma wo osuo yanko na mi ko pebi na mi ntwia na na se woni bie no kosi ya obi ampew mi ko se ni se ni papa won na wo so sorry won na wo so woni wunwie no na ni mi na empa na ese wo empa ni nyina so befo ama be ma ni wona mu nyina befo enu so wani wo no na the body nyina ye totoro.
We don't have to. We can disagree with that and move forward. And that's why in say omo chichiri woman no omaye there's a reason why omaye appeal court and the Supreme Court. And you know, High Court no, it's only one judge. Appeal court, there are 3. Akosua, there are more than that. And you know, even obitimi call through all the 3, nanso onye happy with the judgment, they can move forward to international court. And it's still a friend saying, nipa kwane right, our be exercising. Timinim di enti ase by force. I was saying take first one. Then what's the point of those, the other steps? No? What's the point of those though? Anyway, the next one, and they say, Mentias you, Ubiva Mentiasi. Me will be once obey to me, Adia Mammy. Mentiasi and Yama Biasi. Mammy Serwaa, on the walk carving. Yet Carvin make a decision who will become one summer. Yes, Carvin is a grown-up man. He can take his own decision, which I'm not disputing that. But why is it a problem? When Mami Serwaa did not act, but she had decided to act now. But we're telling her what to do. Is it because Mami Serwaa doesn't know what she's doing? Or she's not grown as Carvin? She's not a grown-up woman. So she cannot decide for herself. So people have to tell her when to do this, when to do that. And can what say a dread Ghpagetv no beko? Yes, wa meku. Ye who sani kun will be a wa meku. And to say, see another one train, a dread Ghpagetv and yes, sinua and san wa beko. Like, I don't understand though. One of the one grown up man or ye entitled to whatever she wants to do and take her decision on her own. But somebody have to tell her what to do. But somebody cannot tell her son what to do. But they want to tell her what to do. Like, it baffles me, honestly. I think about this and it's like, what is going on? Like, what do you take this woman for? His own son can take decision without anybody questioning or criticizing it. But she cannot take a decision. We have to robot her on when to take a decision and when not to. That number to me taking a decision. I'm not disputing that. Mama said word to me to take any decision. I'm not disputing that. Obia were involved be a bit me taking a decision. I'm not disputing that. But do you know something? You have the right to do whatever you want. And you know what? After you do whatever you want, people also have the right to criticize it, to say whatever they want to say about it too. That's also a right, As long as you bring it to the social media, it becomes a right of the other people that are watching or listening to whatever you brought out. So if you put it on the social media, it's your right. You acted whatever you want to act. You took the decision you wanted to take, and also have the right to comment on it. And my opinion. See, yes, Sadia. Yen question Mammy Serwaa. Ye beka de ye ne Mammy Serwaa nya adwen wo ho. Ni aka de ne daddy nya adwen wo ho. Ni aka de ne odobo ni nya adwen, ni aka de ne Calvin nya adwen wo ho. Ni aka de ne Mammy Brempoma nya adwen wo ho. Because I better social media there. Me were right to comment on my opinion. And to see who is sad there, yen kase adena we ya me ati say, adena we ka aya dia obeka ho asem. Se Calvin ye grown up man, that's what me taking a decision there. And ye yen ka anu ntuma me say wan so taking a decision. This is her own son. I don't even get it. I don't get it. Anyway, my next point. Mama Serwaa letter or so be jawari. And people make comments like you have a comprehension problem. I'm not saying somebody have said it right now, but it's some comments people say it. Okay, what the letter no the buy. So who accept this letter no now cast letter no masemedia. In the same letter, she mentioned that Daddy Numba knows. Do you know that what you have done is bigamy? I don't know if there's bigamy in a customary marriage. I don't know if there is. Somebody can tell me after, but I don't know that. So the moment the woman has said say there's bigamy, no, automatically it's a civil ordinance marriage. And I said, okay, it's letter no head and say intent. Intent to. Yes, see, hey, waka say intent and waka say 10 days, no. Eddie. Okay, me di obi de meka. And a natural letter come and say. So, de meka. One first kana mremia. In 10 days time, no. Me di obeko court. Whatever happened after that, no, ma fani pakro anko court. Seni pakro fem no osre me say, Misro, next month me do si kana bebro nti misro twa bibia so. Ena me ti ase. Seni pakro na mfi me. Ena me ya me hu se hu hia nti magyae. Whatever happened, no, me ne wo yenye preview to that. Say ye can't what happened na ya adwene ne ye deka because ye ni evidence bi e kire say after that, no. Say na Daddy Numba ye. Auntie ama Mama Serwaa ankoye. And I say Mama Serwaa koye. So if you're taking it say waka say 10 days or be continue divorce. And you take it as say why yes adia. Then there should be a divorce certificate. Then there should be a divorce certificate. I think say court no betimi am mo year mo dey call Germany say no ntino mo hwehwe mo no omonyi divorce certificate ni mra o. Say court mo letter so mo fan ko mo be unsa betimi account o mo fan ko no mo kwaje mra na ya bre. Ya bre. Ah. Ena wa anware no. But letter krona na o kan say obigami no nipa na read e no. Wato e no de wato atwene. Wase me de nensa akonti wagya aware. Ni ewi abeka setim legal wife wo de monti asemase. Huni say wuti asemase different. Nti na wo position na wo no. And me so meti ase different. Nti na me wo ba bia me wo no. But don't expect say wo be kan asem be convince me. Unless I've seen say clearly the wo can hear true, then yeah, maybe I will accept it. But you who can't some no na me mante no ase say the wo ti ase na wo se me menti asemase. Why is it that? And me so make just want ti asemase because me so me position am me so me dey come gina me so me dey come there. Wo so want ti ase. So obi anti obi ase say ntino say wo can I will listen to you. What makes sense, I will take it. But don't expect say why explain it to me to I should understand. It doesn't work that way. If you don't understand me, I don't understand you. Why do you want somebody to understand you, but you don't want to understand that person? But you want that person to understand you? Ha! I don't know how that works. Obi so beka o si. Maame Serwaa listed properties wo eyi ne so no. Ne letter ne so no. Na East Legon ka ho. I don't know say someone ya omo kasa no. Eya omo read the letter na so omo read ya. East Legon na nka ho. For sure. But the letter also says say me pay we the ono maame Serwaa na eje no or list yo tom. Enye omo properties nyina na list ye. Omo ni kunu ti ase no ni kunu wo se wo ja aware enti ni kunu ma na Ghpagetv no nko ye ni divorce. And one listing near more person you kunu de mano. Enti dia wo so no ye de o list say won fa mano. Because one ni kunu na eche. And asia no osan tro say then you take the rest. Na wo se wa amodi nti no na satam no mo nyanya Ghpagetv no. And ye say duru ho na Ghpagetv no ho yi papers ba. Na so odoboni ni daddy number din de wo so a. Se no wafa. Ni kunu no anka ye friends ni kunu yeso wo ye friends and dey carve mo de be kan ho properties ni bia carve mo de be kan wa fa nka ho which me say no need life munti na woni mu no maame Serwaa de o list ye okoye no wo se woni ni kunu de o maye nie nti wa lesi na chese nyi woni na ye nti se odobo ni woni na ye obetimi afa wono so betimi aklemu ni 50 wo eno mu de wan fa nka ho na no wonim nti wonye yire nti no wonim no so odoboni nso ne na ye ya wono so betimi de document yakono no so claim 50% of that. She has no, I don't think she will have a problem with that. Enti se wan lesina so onti wonim dia and the mon kan cho odoboni na onfa ne papers na onfa nko no so claim half na maame Serwaa nka ho. De maame Serwaa list ya kire se won ka ho no onfa nko no nko claim ne half no. No be any problem with that. I don't think Maame Serwaa will have a problem with that. I don't even think Maame Serwaa call pe bibia on one kan ho na omo ye. Looking at her, no, I don't think she wants something that doesn't belong to her. Enti so one kan ho a o me pray no, enti na wan fa kan ho. Enti no, omo nim se kan ho omo pe no, e na omo de akoka ho no. Enti mo de mo edu ho na mo cha, mo nyi anu mfirim, no ompe. Movie na mo abeka team legal wife fo na team legal for de o mo ready o mo so mo ready na mo abobi afaso mo ready na mo abobi afaso aya mo so mo ready ni nyina why maame brimpoma asemo a and de waka in favor wo de na watam de in favor wo de on kan kore wo de ka sa maame brimpoma se daddy number ayi maame Serwaa to ne niam afa ayi empoma mu gu abontin nti e no de obefa. But the work be at the own fa. Double standard. Double standard. Me de manuasi. Yeah.
Obi wo question
Ba.
na pacho.
No ba so de na noise Sasha. Oh, question my no ba na.
Of course, Mama, of course.
Sasha, wa bisa question no but submission fa ho.
I don't
There
submission.
may must
It is
submission.
just a
No, this is a
question.
question. This is a question.
And we are my submission ka ho.
You said mama number no. Na yese oyedi. Now that she's going to court and so aye kasa. Don't you think that this is a questionable character because Ochenya till say papa ni be wana? Because right now no, it's defenseless plus defender or the accuser. And so don't you think we should ask that question, no? Why now? And not come when the person was alive? Don't you think so?
Shasha, I've already answered that question previously when you asked me, so I'm not answering that again.
That's okay. You appreciate it. That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Mama Kansam.
Okay.
If me Kansam, say if you have already asked me, it's today. It's not. It wasn't yesterday. And you're asking me the same question. If I say it 20 times, you're not going to take it. So I don't think it's even necessary for me to answer that
That's
question.
okay. That's okay. You have every right to do that. That's okay. Social, thank you.
Okay. Mommy enko yenim. Mommy enko yenim. Sasha why ya de no ba won so why ya de.
Social, there's this one I wrote, I forgot. Now, I say, yeah, mommy, I say, yeah, papa, cause bigamy. Now, so who believe you say only bear my awareness of what cause bigamy? I didn't see the win soon. No. What stopped her? because in a letter no case wako ware no also wako se bigamy nti ade nti no wensu no
Okay,
no
Medasi.
diamond koye.
Okay, Medasi, to answer your question, Mami Serwaa can decide whatever she wants to do. And that's why America said, and yeah, many people why, and I said that they knew each other at the point. At the beginning, they didn't know whether they didn't know or not. At the point, no, they decided to act or not to act, and that's what they're facing right now. And the beside the Memeka Johnny say, Mami Serwaa, she can do whatever she wants, and then after that, you will have your opinion on that. You can say your opinion on that, and I can say my opinion on that. But I don't agree with you. To answer your question.
I like that. And then Mecca can say that is why Nkofobi said me no. We are putting up a voice for the defenseless because he's not here. So that's all I wanted to say. Me my submission, naga ka me can with the reason why we are doing this, no, that is why we are defending the defenseless. That is why. Into no omu bisa no wakasa achira omu. Thank you. She knew what? How did she know? How did she know? How did she know?
That's my opinion. Sasha, it's your opinion. It's your opinion. Say, Mami Serwaa
that is
knew,
your
right?
opinion too. So I'll let you speak your mind. Yeah, but she didn't know a damn thing.
Okay, so that's why you're saying Mami Serwaa knew. I'm not in agreement with you, but that's your opinion. Miss my opinion is Odobroni knew. Odobroni knew.
Okay, mommy,
Yeah, I'm sticking to it, but if you jump,
okay.
I am sticking to it. Sasha, if I'm sticking to it and you're jumping from your side to say my side, then I will jump to your side to say your side.
Sasha,
Mama,
me pacho.
Who be question now? Not submission to us.
No, my idea.
Yeah, don't answer. You don't need to choose to
Okay,
answer. That's all.
Sasha. Okay, mommy and queen ni mwai. Edro. Ausa. I'll buy on. I do.
Anima, Suron, don't play the hide score. So I don't care. You want beat me how many games?